हेलो एवरीवन। आज हम लोग बनाने वाले हैं बटरफ्लाई। स्टे ट्यून्ड। Starting with a magic ring and then make chain 3. 1, 2 and 3. These 3 chains count as your first double crochet. Now make another double crochet. And chain 2. And then make 2 double crochet into the magic ring. So 1. And chain 2. After that make 2 double crochet and then 2 chain, 2 double crochet. Repeat the pattern till we have 8 chain spaces. So this is the last double crochet of this first round. Make 2 chain and then slip stitch onto the top of chain 3, and our first round is completed. Now for round 2 we are gonna slip stitch till we reach into a space. This is our first chain space. Make 3 chain 3, and then make 2 double crochet into the space. And now make chain 3 and make 3 double crochet into the chain space, into the same chain space. First space is done. Now we're gonna repeat the same pattern into another chain space. Now we're gonna make same pattern into another chain space. 3 double crochet, chain 3, 3 double crochet. Repeat this pattern till we reach end. This is the last chain space and last double crochet. Now we're gonna slip stitch in onto the top of the chain 3. Here our second round is completed. Now grab the white yarn, make a slip knot. Attach the white yarn between the 3 double crochet and 3 double crochet, as you can see. Secure the yarn by chain 1 and then do 10 double crochet into the chain 3 space. So you're gonna make 10 double crochet. 1, 2, So these 10 double crochets are completed. Now make one single crochet in between the chain, not chain 3 but 3 double crochet and 3 double crochet, as you can see, and then make 10 double crochet into the chain space. Repeat the pattern. And now make slip stitch. So now the pattern is completed. Fold this flower into half and we have to make a line by stitches. So insert your hook whereas you want, but we have to make a straight line. So make it.
Je cherche un homme, un Pierre au Paul, un Jacques au Tom.
This is the last stitch of line. Now we are going to make antennas of butterfly. So make chain 11. And so now we have to work 10 slip stitch into these 11 chain as shown in the video. This is the final part. So this is first antenna is ready. Now make another 11 chain. If you find this tutorial helpful, then please like the video and subscribe the channel, and do let me know what kind of tutorial should I make, what kind of things you want to see. And tab tak ke liye, bye bye.